Unless you were just watching some other video just now, you just saw me open 2 Menlo Club packages from October and November 2019. And now I'm wearing the shirt from one of those packages. It's a very nice shirt, it's soft, it fits me well. I like it a lot. My wife said, ooh, when I took it downstairs and she touched it. A high review. But what else was in that package? Let's take a look, shall we? While I know I said the shirt was soft, but I was lying. This is soft and oh so comfortable. I can't be bothered to look at the tag to find out what it's made of, but I love it. And I wish I had more things made of it. Plus, sweet zipper action. But what's next? Let's find out. I made the long and difficult journey off camera and back to discover that once again I've lied to you. I thought the shirt was soft, I thought the sweater was soft, and then I put this scarf on my face, and good lord, I can be bothered to look and see what this is made of. What is this made of? It's Robin? That can't be right. Well, whatever it is, once again, it ups the softness game. Oh, here it is, viscose. I don't know what viscose is. Apparently it's this. And God, it's so soft. Bury me in this. Bury me right now. I'm ready to go. Take me away. Take me away, away. Away, away. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to show you this. Look at this jacket. The details, man, the details. First, the outside. Zip pocket on the sleeve. Gorgeous. Big Velcro patch. Amazing. I can't wait to put patches on it. And look at the lining on the inside. Do you see this? The quilted pattern? Do you see it? I love it. I want it. I need it on me. Here it goes. Oh. I'm feeling more dignified by the second. Well, sign me up for the bombing run, boys. It's time to go. I love 5'4" Menlo jackets. They fit me well. They always look great. I got stuff all over this one, but it doesn't matter. Notice how everything from these 2 packages combined to make one fantastic outfit. That's what you get every single month. Items that combine to make great outfits that you can wear and impress your friends and family. Maybe that girl you like, maybe that boy you like. I don't know. I don't care. All I know is I love this stuff and I love sharing it. Yeah, so maybe sign up for Menlo Club. Or don't. I mean, I would, but I'm not you. Do whatever you want. I almost totally forgot, but I have to also mention that if you are like me and you're a frugal boy and you're like, oh my god, $60 a month on clothes. Don't worry, you got some options. Number one, you don't have to do this every month. You can do it like quarterly. They've got a quarterly option. I think it's a little bit more money, like 70 or 75 bucks, but you still get cool clothes, like once every 3 months instead of once a month. And that's good. Less shopping, right? Other cool thing is right now, I don't know if they do this year long, but because it's the holiday season, they've got this cool deal right now. Here, let me show you. Can I put this around? Hang on. Yeah, okay, there we go. Where you can get a membership, you buy a gift basically membership, and you can buy 12 months or 6 months or 3 months, and you get this sweet discount where it's way less than $60 a month. Basically, you could just sign yourself up with this gift membership, make a new account if you already are a member, and get this sweet discount price. Maybe they've got a way to apply to an existing account. I don't know, I don't work for them. Point is, it's a great deal. You should probably use it to get great clothes for really cheap. That's cheaper than I get. Well, it's cheaper than I get.